Is Boost Mobile the right prepaid carrier for you? Let's find out. This video dives into my Boost Mobile experience. Find links to everything mentioned down below. Known for budget-friendly plans, no contracts, and solid nationwide coverage on T-Mobile's network, Boost Mobile offers 5G connectivity, unlimited talk and text, and a variety of data options. Plans start at just $10 a month for light data users. Unlimited plans pack in hotspot data and HD streaming. Boost Mobile is perfect for budget-minded users who value flexibility. It's a great option for students, families, or anyone seeking a low-cost alternative to the big carriers without sacrificing reliable coverage. BYOD or SIM-only options make switching simple, and they also offer a range of affordable phones. Key features include data rollover on select plans, international calling add-ons, and a rewards program with discounts. Support is available by phone, chat, or in-store, though user experiences vary. Performance is generally decent, but prepaid users might experience slower speeds during congestion. Keep this in mind if you need consistent high-speed data in busy areas. However, for the price, Boost Mobile offers excellent value, especially compared to contract plans. Overall, Boost Mobile is a solid choice for affordable, no-frills mobile service with good coverage and flexibility. Used Boost Mobile? Thinking about it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Check the description for the latest plans and deals.